know what they are doing. They use those cows. Kudo to IGBOHO. Kudo to Papa Kindore. Kudo to all the Yoruba freedom fighters out today. Let me tell you one thing that I dreamt about before. Kutonu will join Nigeria. All the people living in Kutonu are Yorubas. They will join us. Nigerians are found in what? Fake life. They should allow us to go. If we should go, when Tinubu is leaving the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, he will now be our president too.
Ọmọ Yorùbá a kú oríire. Àní kí la ṣe o, a kú oríire. Ẹ wo fídíò tí mo gbé wá bá yín lásìkò yìí nírú wákàtí tá a wà yìí. Wòlíì Marcus Tibetan wọ́n tún sọ bàbá yìí tún pẹrẹpẹrẹ àṣírí àkókò tí Yoruba Nation máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ àti ibi tí àwọn ọ̀ràn Yorùbá wà gangan. Ibi tá a gbé bá a dé yìí, ta ni yóò jẹ́ pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì àkọ́kọ́ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá? Bàbá sọ gbogbo ẹ̀. Ẹ dákun fídíò tí mò ń gbé bọ̀ wá fún yín yìí, ẹ bá mi farabalẹ̀ pín dáadáa, ẹ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ kẹ́ ẹ sì rí i pé ẹ pín kọ́wọ́ gbòòrò ayé lọ. Ẹ ti mọ wòlíì Marcus Tibetan pé tí bàbá yìí bá sọ̀rọ̀ bàbá láwọn lálàá ìwọ̀n tí wọ́n rí níbẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ máa gbọ́. Kódà wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa olóyè Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho ṣá, kí lóhun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Adéyẹmọ. Bàbá Bánjí Akíntóyè, gbogbo àwọn agitators pátápátá, kí lọ́lọ́run sọ nípa wọn gangan. Ìdí nìyí tó fi yẹ kó o wo fídíò yìí, kó o farabalẹ̀ wò ó. Bó o bá ṣe ń wò ó máa bá mi pín, bó o ṣe ń gbọ́ máa bá mi pín. Àwọn wo ni aṣíwájú tí wọ́n jẹ́ ọ̀dàlẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń fawọ́ aago ẹ̀yìn? Bàbá ti sọ gbogbo wọn. Kí ló máa wá ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yìn? Ìgbà wo gan lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí máa dé? Tíjọba Tinubu bá lóun kọ̀, òun ò ṣe é. Kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀? Àní ta ló máa kọ́kọ́ jẹ́ pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì àkọ́kọ́? Ẹ wo bí àṣírí àti ọ̀nà tí àwọn Fúlàní ń gbà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí pẹ̀lú fúláàgì wọn tí wọ́n ṣe, pẹ̀lú national anthem wọn, pẹ̀lú ẹ́mbúlẹ̀mù àti bí wọ́n ṣe lọ sí United Nation. Gbogbo àṣírí yìí ló ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ bàbá pátápátá. Ẹ gbọ́, kí wá ló wá yẹ kí Yorùbá ó ṣe fún àwọn Fúlàní yìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Bàbá Tibetan ti sọ báyìí. Ẹ dákun ẹ bá mi pín fídíò yìí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Ẹ bá wa pín, ẹjọ́ wọ̀ gbòòrò ayé lọ, torí ìròyìn ayọ̀ gangan leléyìí. Tí è ṣe pé ẹjẹ́ ń já yín tán. Bàbá sọ débi pé oúnjẹ tí àwọn aráabí yìí ń gbé wá fún wa, wọ́n ní àwọn tí ń sọ ó ti lé lógún ọdún wípé ká fi oúnjẹ wọn lẹ̀, ká má jẹ oúnjẹ wọn mọ́, kí wọ́n padà. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn wo lọ́wọ́ à ń dé ọ̀rọ̀ àṣírí gbogbo wọn tú. Kí wá ní pílánì wọn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe fún ìran Yorùbá àti tí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀? Tí bàbá Bọ́lá Tinubu tí wọ́n bá fi lè jókòó papọ̀ pé ó yá ká máa lọ, kí ni ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà? Àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè wo ni ó wọlé? Ìlú wo ni wọ́n ó sì tẹ̀lé? Gbogbo ẹ̀ ni bàbá sọ o. Ẹ gbọ́, ẹ rí i pé àwọn èyí sábà wá sórí ètò nírú àsìkò yìí, àmọ́ ìròyìn eléyìí ò ṣeé fi ara, torí ẹ̀ mo fi sọ fún yín pé fídíò yìí ò ní gùn rárá sábàdà. Ẹ̀yin ẹ sákàn ṣe pàápàá kẹ́ gbọ́, ẹ wò ó, kẹ́ bá mi share ẹ̀, kẹ́ comment, ẹ like, ẹ tẹ top up sókè. Ẹ jẹ́ kó wọ̀ gbòòrò ayé lọ gidigidi. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ó gbọ́ eléyìí, kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí ì darapọ̀ mọ́ ìrìn àjò yìí, ẹ tètè máa bọ̀. Ẹ tètè yá máa bọ̀, kọjọ́ tó pẹ́, kákòókò tó jìnnà. Torí irú ọ̀rọ̀ tí àwọn bàbá wa bíi tí bàbá Prophet Marcus Tibetan bá ti sọ, ẹ ti mọ̀ pé nínú àwọn wòlíì ọ̀gánilá ọ̀gánilásá, nínú àwọn tọ́lọ́run bá sọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ń sọ ẹ̀dùn Ọlọ́run, pàápàá tí wọ́n ti ń sọ fún wa nípa ìran Yorùbá Nation títí débi tó dé yìí, tí wọ́n bá wá ń fẹnu ara wọn sọ pé báyìí lolúwa wí lásìkò yìí, kó tó di ìgbà báyìí sí ìgbà báyìí, nǹkan báyìí máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Ṣé kò yẹ ká máa jó, ká máa jó, ká máa yọ̀, ká máa dúpẹ́ o, ká máa jó, ká máa yọ̀, ká máa dúpẹ́, ká máa jó ká máa yọ̀ ká máa mú pẹ́jọ́ o ká máa jó ká máa yọ̀ ká máa dúpẹ́. A gbọ́dọ̀ máa jó ká máa yọ̀ ká máa mọ́pẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ni. Ẹ gbọ́ ọmọ Yorùbá, ohun ayọ̀ gangan leléyìí, ohun ayọ̀ gangan leléyìí. Ẹ rí i pé ẹ wo fídíò yìí, ẹ wò ó láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dópin, kò gùn rárá. Àṣé belenja ni ẹ sì ti mọ̀ pé nígbà tí kíní bá bọ́, òróǹro bá bọ́ sínú odidi ẹran, ọbẹ̀ rẹ̀ jẹ́ ni. Wo àwa mú adùn bẹ́ẹ̀ làwa wá mú wá pé kẹ́yìn ọmọ Yorùbá àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, kódà dọ́dọ̀ àwọn ọmọ Biafra, torí bàbá mẹ́nu bọ̀rọ̀ wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni nígbà wo gan-an, báwo ni ó ṣe rí? Ẹ wò ẹ bá ń fohùn sí nínú ilé fáwọn èèyàn wa, àmọ́ mò ń bọ̀ náà. Ẹ tẹ́tí sí ìkéde pàtàkì yìí. Bóyá ìwọ fẹ́ ṣe ayẹyẹ òkú àgbà tó fẹ́ live stream ẹ̀, birthday party, housewarming àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, tàbí church anniversary, mosque anniversary, àbírú ayẹyẹ yòówù tó fẹ́ ṣe, music concert, ó wá fẹ́ kàn live stream ẹ̀ fún ẹ. Ìyẹn ni pé ká gbé e sórí pẹpẹ àgbáyé. Ẹ kàn sí wa lórí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ yìí 090 36 36 80 09 090 36 36 80 09 tàbí kó o pè 070 70 35 99 91 070 70 35 99 91. Ẹ wò ẹ bá wo fídíò yìí, àwọn ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ lè pè ní òun náà lẹ́sìn tí lè pè wá sí. Ẹ fẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ gangan, WhatsApp number wa rèé 070 70 35 99 91 070 70 35 99 91. Fún any information tẹ́ ẹ bá fẹ́ fún wa, àfẹ́fẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀, ọ̀yá ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tí wòlíì Tibetan ṣe. Ẹ ṣé.
We will not vote for him again. He should be having a safe landing into us. But if there's something that can save them, if they can bring out the national conference of the one of Goodluck Jonathan, the national conference of the one of Obasanjo, and give people, give all Nigerians a enable environment to write a good constitution, to then take it away from the Northerners, that they are not born to rule anybody. We are all born great. Let's change that. And when you look at all the eastern part of Nigeria, the land space of Oyo alone covered the whole 5 states. And they are shouting marginalization. Not this time. They created Imo out of Benin. They created Imo state out of Benin. So this is the problem we're facing. We are not together. This fake life will not help us. And the Bible was telling us that in the book of Ephesians 4, verse 25, Oni ẹ má máa parọ́ fúnra yín. Don't lie to each other. Buhari Gowon lied. Even of recent, the lady impregnated outside the wedlock, they just unite them together. There are some who went underground. We asked you to go and serve us, and you have the time to fornicate. Are they sincere leaders? Can you do that in America? No, now. And then when you look at all the money that has been siphoned out of Nigeria, through Babangida, through Abu Salam, through Alinti Madueke, through Kuko Jonwela, through all Nigerian governors, all the governors. Why? Because they know one day we are going to separate. And then if the money is in Nigeria, it will die with Nigeria. So the one they have abroad, they will bring that in. That's their plan. Hausa will never say Hausa will never tell you he wanted to jackpot. Fulani will never jackpot. How many doctors do we have among the Hausas? How many doctors do we have among the Fulanis? The only thing they believe they know about, they want to make everybody to be a cattle rearer. So that they can be rearing cattle, they will be buying and be making merriment. And enough is enough for merriment. I've been warning Nigerians over 20 years. We should desert their food. We should desert their food. Here comes the reckoning now. I didn't be in your yard, but they know what they are doing. They use those cow. Kudo to IGBOHO. Kudo to Baba Kindoye. Kudo to all the Yoruba freedom fighters. You know, Yoruba has prepared their money. They have prepared their flag. They have prepared everything. It was last night I dreamt. Even Arewa has even have their own national item. They have their flag. So the Igbo has his own too. We should go. We should go. Because if they would not allow this man to reframe to reset all that is bad, so we should go. We should go. Now, when you look at all what all the chief of army staff we have during the time of Goodluck Jonathan until today, they are terrible chief of army staff. They are worse than cancer. They are worse than cancer. And all the Navy officers too, they are all pirates. So automatically, we have oil. We have oil in Ondo. We have in Lagos, in Abadagri. Even when we should break out today, let me tell you one thing that I dreamt about before. Kutonu will join Nigeria. All the people living in Kutonu are Yorubas. They will join us.
Yes.
You see all the hand they use, how they embrace IGBOHO, Abapakitoye. Even they don't want to leave the place. This last time IGBOHO came back to Nigeria, he came to the place. He's more or less a free citizen of that place. And they are very united in that place than Nigeria. How can we be united when at the border, Bruta is there? At the border, all Fulanis are there. Even when you go to the airport there, some did not have a job there in the airport. They were just there every day doing prayer and get salary. Doing prayer and get salary. Go to all the northern states in a federal quarter. The ghost staff that you are going to see that come from the north is more than the one in the south. So automatically, this fake life should stop with the regime of Tinubu. That's all. The voice of the youth needs to be heard. They should sit down on the round table and dialogue with them. And dialogue with the youth. Not the youth like Abati. Not the youth like Kabua. Not the youth like the Meji Bankole. Not the youth like Wike. Not the youth like Rotimi Amechi. Not the youth like all these people. Those are faded youth. They have disappointed Nigeria. If you could be at the age of 60, 50, 45 to 60, nothing they can point that you do to your community, you are a failed person. You are a failed person. And all these people are failed. You could remember Rotimi Amechi took a jet out of rivers for repair. He kept it there. He wanted to convert it to himself, to his own. Who is Rotimi Amechi? How does he get to politics? How does Abati get into politics? Then how does all these people, look at them. And we're thinking they're going to bail us out of the trouble. So, the Meji Bankole, the Tambua, and all these people are youth in this country before. So they have a bad mind towards Nigerians. So, I will only have one life to live. So, Tinubu should call on the youth. And he should not be staying inside SOWORE again. He should be moving around. Inspection of every project, he should go. There is no valuable road in the whole South and Southeast. No good road. Go to Niger Delta, no good roads. But get to Kaduna, go to Abuja, go to everywhere, all are good roads. Where do they get the asphalt? There is bitumen in Ondo State. But because of the bitterness of mind and height, you know, we can get, after getting crude, getting the fuel for the plane and everything, we can still get asphalt from the mineral resources. But we have bitumen overflowing in Ondo State. I didn't mean Tinubu created the environment ministry of cassava. That anybody that has 200 cassava truck should be bringing it. Then all the youth will get job. Then you are now saying ministry of livestock. Who cares about livestock? Who cares about livestock? You should stop it and forget about livestock. This is because the open grazing is what is trying to polish for them. They cover it with another name. You should go and see the write-up they gave to Audu Ogbe. And we need Audu Ogbe back into this, into what we are facing now. It's not Jega, but Audu Ogbe. We don't need Jega, we need Audu Ogbe. We don't need the we need Audu Ogbe. Those are people who read and they see the future and they know, and that's how they killed our able brother the other day, David West. Those are great people who studied America. Then Babangida destroyed them, and Delegiwa and the rest of them. So automatically, we should stop fake life.